Hello guys, good morning everyone, and we are here at Catbalogan City para isarel si Ma'am Anita sa kanyang 70th birthday today. So yun, maraming salamat po kay Sir Marlon, Ma'am Gemma, Ma'am Rona, and Ma'am Leia for choosing Marnie's Car Trunk in collaboration with Surprise and Gift Delivery for choosing us to be a part of your mother's birthday celebration surprise today. So yun ito po yung set of package na napili nila para sa kanilang minamahal na ina. At yung theme nga po pala natin ay red, gold, and white combination with 3 red roses na fresh, and of course ang ating money bouquet na tig 500 pesos, and of course ang ating customized cake from napili ng ating mga sender para sa kanilang minamahal na ina. Of course ang special gift nila, and of course yung ating dalawang sender ay kasama po natin for today's video nilang sa kanilang presents. At ayun abang-abangan nyo po kami guys sa Catbalogan, at sana po ay mantig at masurpresa natin ang ating minamahal na celebrant for today's video. At thank you so much again everyone. Abang-abangan nyo po yung video na ilalabas namin, and God bless everyone. Keep safe and peace out.